Hello friends, welcome to Rajmudra Academy. In physical geography, there is one important concept, the concept of temperature and pressure. So exactly how these two things are interrelated to each other. Suppose if we say that in this area, the air parcel or simply the air which is present here, it is hot air. So exactly what will be the pressure in this area, whether it will be low pressure or it will be high pressure. So suppose this air in this area is hot air, then it will be getting lighter. That means its weight, or you can say its density, will be decreasing. So in that case, the air will be moving up since it is lighter. And because of that, in this area, there will be low pressure. On the other side, if we say air in this area is cold air, that means temperature will be lower. So that air will be heavy air. And because of that, it will be exerting more pressure in this land. And because of that, there will be high pressure in this area. So always remember that whenever there are higher temperatures, it will be leading to low pressure region in that particular area. On the other side, when there are colder temperatures, it will be leading to somehow high pressure region in that area. This will be specifically important when you will be reading pressure belts topic in physical geography. Thank you.